If you're looking for an easy Wi-Fi free way to play music for your kids at night, we absolutely love this little CD player, boombox, if you will. It's got a handle here for easy pickup. Just pop that open. Oop, we were just playing some lullabies. Pop your CD in there. Close it, and then a simple play button. Volume here. It gets really loud. And then it has a radio function as well. You could do AM or FM. We don't use that. We just use it for CDs. And then here's your tuner right there. We have ours plugged in, but I believe, yes, you could do batteries if you prefer. And then just simple functions. Next song, pause, play, stop, repeat. So super simple, super handy. Cute, relatively compact. As far as size goes, here's my hand so you can see. And again, yeah, we've absolutely loved this. Great for kids to be able to listen to music without Wi-Fi access.